Ever wonder how small food brands get started? Usually it begins with one machine, one idea, and a single table. In this video, I'll show you 7 food-making machines designed for compact setups, but capable of real, market-ready production. Let's get into it. Automatic donut making machine is hypnotic to watch. It drops the batter, flips the rings mid-fry, lifts them out golden and perfect, and just keeps going. This is not a toy or a novelty. It is a full production line in one compact unit. You feed in the batter, and it does the rest with automatic feeding, frying, flipping, and output, along with adjustable speed and size settings. Most automatic donut machines start around $700 for entry-level models and go up to $1,400 for higher capacity or stainless steel builds with better temperature control. Here is where it shines: speed and consistency. You can serve fresh mini donuts on the spot with cinnamon sugar, chocolate drizzle, or matcha glaze, or package them in 6-packs, snack trays, or event boxes. The visuals alone draw people in, and the smell seals the deal. And because it is automatic, one person can run the fryer, glaze the donuts, and pack orders at the same time. Set it up on a table with a heat shield, plug it in, and you are live. This works in food stalls, delivery kitchens, local markets, and anywhere people want fresh, fast sweets. Most buyers do not care how it is made, but they remember how it tastes and how it looks on their feed. Number 2, Dumpling Maker. Hand-folding dumplings is great for tradition, but not for scaling. This compact dumpling maker automates the entire shaping process. Dough goes in one side and filling in the other. It seals, crimps, and ejects perfectly formed dumplings every few seconds. Most reliable models are priced between $850 and $1,300, depending on size and build. And at that price, you are saving hours of labor. The final product looks handmade, but is produced at full speed. Here is where this machine shines. Dumplings are not just hot meals. They are portable, freezable, and easy to package. With one machine, you can prepare trays of frozen dumplings with dipping sauce packets and brand the box as a complete meal kit. Want to go niche? Offer vegan fillings, dessert dumplings with apple and cinnamon, or spicy fusion samosas. You are not limited to tradition, you are opening up possibilities. Setup is straightforward with a wide prep table, a clean water connection, and counter space for sorting and packing. Customers are not just buying food, they are buying time. When you give them something they can steam in 5 minutes with no prep, that is a product they will order again and again. Number 3, Chocolate Tempering Machine. The main reason most home chocolate projects fail is tempering. This machine takes care of that for you. It melts the chocolate, brings it down to the right cool temperature, then gently reheats it to the exact range where it sets with that satisfying snap. The finish comes out glossy, smooth, and ready for storage. Basic models start at about $450, while more advanced units with digital controls and a 3-kilogram capacity can reach $1,100. That capacity is perfect for producing small batches of bars, bonbons, or coated snacks with uniform quality. Hand tempering can be messy and inconsistent, but this offers precision you can rely on. You can craft your own chocolate bars, add layers of flavor like sea salt, nuts, or chili, and package them with wax paper and custom labels. You can also dip fruit, cookies, or pretzels, and create seasonal limited runs. Set it on a clean table with molds and a small fan for cooling, and you have a fully functional chocolate workspace. In the end, what you are really selling is presentation, because people will pay a premium for chocolate that looks as good as it tastes. Number 4, Dehydrator and Grinder. Not every food product has to be fresh. Some of the most profitable items are shelf-stable, and that's where this setup shines. It includes a vertical dehydrator for drying fruits, herbs, or vegetables, paired with a stainless steel grinder that turns them into fine powders. Together, these machines let you create natural ingredients perfect for baking, beverages, smoothies, or spice blends. Think strawberry powder, dried beet flakes, or turmeric root. pure concentrated flavor with a long shelf life. The equipment is straightforward and affordable. Vertical flow dehydrators range from $150 to $300, while high-speed food grinders cost between $70 and $250. Combined, you get a complete setup for under $550 that runs without constant attention or refrigeration. Simply slice your produce, dry it, grind it, and package it in pouches or small glass jars. Keep your labels clean and simple. No additives, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. That's your selling point. Plus, you're not just offering snacks. You're supplying raw materials for bakers, beverage makers, and even DIY cosmetic brands. The operation has a small footprint, runs quietly, produces no mess, and involves no perishables. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, lightweight, and easy to ship. Number 5. Automatic bread making machine. Bread might seem straightforward, but every fresh soft loaf takes time, effort, and consistency. This machine covers all three. It mixes, kneads, proofs, and bakes in one compact unit. No hand shaping or timing guesswork needed. Just add your ingredients, choose your settings, and let it do its job. Prices range from $500 to $1,500, depending on size and features. Most tabletop models handle a variety of bread types, from classic white and whole wheat to rye, brioche, or gluten-free blends. The real advantage is customization. Herb loaves, olive rolls, cinnamon raisin breakfast bread, or seasonal flavors you can sell in sealed 2-packs or by the loaf. It's perfect for weekend markets, local delivery services, or fresh meal kits. Since every batch is consistent, you don't need professional baking skills to succeed. Setup is simple. Just one power outlet, a clean prep area, and cooling racks. Add basic packaging like paper wraps or branded sleeves, and your bread will look as fresh as it smells. People still crave real bread, not shelf-stable products or factory flavors. When your bread comes out warm, soft, and genuine, customers will keep coming back. Number 6. Ice cream batch freezer. Ice cream is more than just a dessert, it's a canvas for your brand. A tabletop batch freezer lets you fully control every ingredient in each pint. You pour in your base, dairy, almond, coconut, or any alternative, and the machine churns and freezes it at just the right speed. That means no icy texture, no melting problems, and no need for preservatives. Entry-level batch freezers start around $700, while more powerful models with stronger freezing coils and bigger capacity can reach $1,700. Most units fit neatly on a countertop and clean up in under 10 minutes. What makes this machine valuable? Customization. Imagine flavors like black sesame, pistachio, cardamom, or Thai iced tea, rotating seasonally. You can add mix-ins like cookies, jams, or spices during the churn, all while maintaining a smooth texture. Scoop it for market sales or package it in branded pints with tamper-proof lids. Freezer storage is necessary, but the payoff is a longer shelf life and strong repeat business, especially if you offer vegan or dairy-free options. You're not just competing with store brands. You're delivering something unique that can't be found in any freezer aisle. Number 7. Coffee roaster. Coffee is everywhere, but freshly roasted beans? That's a niche with serious growth potential. This is a countertop drum roaster. You load green beans, set the roast time and airflow, and watch the batch until you hit your perfect roast. From light and citrusy to rich, smoky dark. Compact models handling 250 grams to 1 kilogram per batch range between $450 and $950, depending on precision controls and airflow features. With one setup, you can roast for your own brand, package beans in craft bags with degassing valves, and sell directly to customers or local cafes. Want to take it further? Offer tasting sets with 3 roast levels, or grind on demand for customers who want convenience without sacrificing quality. The real focus here is not volume, but freshness and craftsmanship. You can build a brand around bean origin, roast profiles, or sustainable sourcing. Coffee lovers notice every detail. Set up near a window or use a fan for airflow. Store your beans airtight and grow your own roast library batch by batch. So, those were 7 machines that can transform your kitchen into a powerful production space. These aren't industrial lines. They're perfect tools for anyone wanting to start small, stay flexible, and create something personal yet scalable. Every machine featured has been used by real makers. Some sell at markets, some ship online, some do both. Success comes down to choosing the right product, packaging it well, and showing up consistently. If this sparked a real idea, let us know which machine caught your attention. If you're already working on something, share it in the comments below. Subscribe for more deep dives, and check out the next video where we explore full production setups, including packaging and labeling tools. This is Business Mind, where smart products start small